So welcome back. We are here today on our blank canvas, and what we are going today is background color and gradient. So we will be learning how to fill any solid or gradient color and how we can choose the gradient style. Okay, so let's get started. We'll click on our canvas anywhere. So this is our canvas. Automatically a blue highlighter line will activate once your mouse will be on the canvas, and this is just the outside place. You can't draw on this place. This is the canvas where you can draw. So you will click on the canvas and you will see that a floating menu, or you can also say a toolbar kit is activated. There's one icon, background color, it also says. Okay, so when you will click on it, you will see that there is a side menu that is opened for color. Okay, so I can choose any color. I'll tell you, we'll start with a bright color. Okay, so I just chose this color. Okay, so there is library. So there are some default solid color. This is my brand kit, so we can ignore this. But then there are some solid colors. We can choose these colors. We can see these colors. They're like lot of colors. We can choose any color. Okay, we'll go back from here. Then there's gradient color. Okay, so you can choose any gradient from here. This is a 3-color gradient. Okay, here we can see the gradient. Okay, we'll go back. Okay, so these are the gradient color library and default solid color library that we have. Now I'm adding a page here to show you how I can create my own gradient. I'll add a page. Okay, I'll go here and I'll select one solid color. It has randomly selected a color here. In the same menu, I'll click on gradient and it automatically will add one color which is preset in its library. Okay, so first we'll understand the styles. So this is the style, the first color and the another color. It is going in this direction. First color and the second color. If I select the second style, it goes first color and the second color. If I select this, it is going like first color and the second color towards the right, down. If I select this, this is the second color and the first color is in the middle. If I select this, then it is the first color and more going towards the right, but the second color is more. I can also change their design like this. So all the colors are changed. I can add more colors. I can change the color that is added. I don't want this. This was just to show. Then I can also change this color which I have shown. Yeah. So this is my gradient sheet. Let's try some another color. Let's try with this color. Okay. I've selected this. I'll go here. Once I'll click on gradient, it will by default select any pairing color. Usually it selects pink with the red family. So this is what it has selected. Let's say I'm just taking it to white or maybe black. And I can add one more color. I can change their location. This is just, we can look at the effect that the black and red, 3 colors. This is amazing. Wow. So these kind of effects we can create using gradient. We can play around a bright and a light color, two dark colors. So if I turn it to red, it's too light. It's too bright. Basically, I would choose the same color. And this is amazing. These are 2 gradients. If I don't want a gradient, I'll go back here. I will select a solid color, any color. So this is the bar of the color I can choose, and this is the intensity I want. Okay, so if I want blue, so this is a intensity of blue, how dark, what shade of blue I want. This is another one, that was teal. This is blue. Another thing we can do, we can change here, right here, the hex code. Let's say I'm writing here FFFF or any color. So it's we can also find colors using the hex codes if we have, or we can find the hex codes on internet, or in the library we can just select this bar, go to the family, choose the color, and then we can select the tone. So this is also possible. This is the solid color that we can do. These are the gradient. By default it will add. So solid color by default it will add. And yes, that's it. You can select from the gradient also, the preset gradients, or you can create your own gradient. Okay, so that's all for the class. Thank you.